Day 9. VIPIN, A4. Nancy, A for apple. VIPIN, do you like apples? You know, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Nancy, yes, I love apple very much and apple is healthy for me. VIPIN, A for assets. Nancy, assets? What does it mean? VIPIN, assets mean all the property of the business like cash, bank balance, furniture, machinery, etc. Nancy, like pens, pencils. VIPIN, no, Nancy, pens and pencils are not assets, they're expenses. The main difference between assets and expenses is the life of the item. Usually, the life of the assets is more than 1 year, and the life of the expenses is less than 1. Nancy, an example, please. VIPIN, the life of the car, machines, and furniture is more than 1 year, whereas the life of the pen, pencil, electricity bill, and rent paid are used within 1 year. Ready? Nancy, yes, exercise. VIPIN, write the assets and expenses. Table is assets. Building is assets. Car is assets. Car's driver salary is expenses. Petrol bill is expenses. VIPIN, you can join the WhatsApp channel at VIPINANCY for more online practice. It's practice time. A beautiful conversation between the author Vipin Kumar Varma and his beautiful little sister, age 8 years, on the basic concepts of accounting will help the children understand the basic terms like what is capital, debtor, B2C. It's puzzle time, kids. Enjoy the puzzles from the book.